I'd like to call on Baron. Baron, pag hindi ka pa umakyat dito, let's go!
I just want to say, dun sa mga binig na nakakaalam, 6 years na ako binig ako sa Cebu. And I love Cebu so much. So, ang ganda, no? I just want to also congratulate all the graduates this year. Congratulations, my senior high students. Now, Gina ba kayo? I just want to share a little bit of my experience. Oh, my son is here. Hi, Q. Lumaki natin, palakpakan natin. Okay. Kaya, gusto ko lang mag-share ng konting experience ko sa pagiging parte ko ng Good Game. It's such a wonderful film since ito yung unang esports movie sa buong Pilipinas. And proud ako na makasama ang ating idolo na si Donnie Pangilinan. He's such a great producer. Yung experience ko with them, with the Pangilinans, with Sir Anthony, with the entire family, sobrang inalagaan ako. And to be honest, I am very proud and looking forward. 2 days to go, mapapanood na po natin. So sana, sabay-sabay natin panoorin sa June 26. Before, ang perception ko sa gaming, sobrang... Hi! Uy, smile ka. Dati yung perception ko sa gaming or sa esports, parang masama. Alam ko may mga parents dito, no, who siguro are against gaming. But if you watch your film, may iba po yung perception yun sa perspective sa gaming industry. Because meron naman palang benefits to as long as balance lahat. Siyempre, sa mga estudyante, you have to balance, you know, your social life, you have to balance your love life. Medyo lang. You also have to balance your school, which is very important. Ang pinaka-importante rin is family. Diba? Agree? So for me, you know, family is forever. So I just wanna encourage you na once mapanood nyo to, marami... Hi Alexa! Hi! Marami kayong matututunan, hindi lang yung ins and outs ng gaming, ng esports, but also how to cope. Siyempre, maraming teenagers dito, marami kayong mga pinagdadaanan, di ba? Feeling teenager ako kasi feeling ko, zillennial ako. Dahil nakatrabaho ko yung mga bata, marami ako natutunan kila Donnie, sa mga Talk What Bad Boys. Dito, ang pag napanood nyo, mariintindihan nyo lahat. So, without further ado, unang-una I want to thank again the Pangilinan family. Without further ado, panoorin na po natin. Handa na ba kayo sa trailer ng Gigi? Ito na po, panoorin po natin, sabay-sabay po natin panoorin. God bless you folks at maraming salamat. Dagang salamat sa inyong tanan.
Pwede mo kong kausapin. Pwede mo akong pagsabihan.